Hi, this video reviews Google Vids features.
Google Vids has many features. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is the record button, which has the camera, screen, and voiceover option. Below that is scripts, where you can write scripts when you do a voiceover for your scenes. Next is Uploads, which has access to your Google Drive and Google Photos, so you can easily upload them to your scene. Next is Stock, which contains videos, stock images, music, stickers, sound effects, GIFs, and Google Images, which are all free to use. Text is a way to insert text onto your screen and contains many templates for you to use. The Shapes tab contains shapes that you can drag and drop onto your scenes. Finally is Templates. This contains template Google Vids that you can insert and edit into your own scenes.
There are two ways that you can insert Google Slides. You can start a new project from Slideshow or insert slides later on. Right now, I'm just importing a completely new Google Slides. Then I'm inserting another slideshow within that already made slideshow. Depending on how long the presentation is, it'll take longer to import. And right here, I'm choosing which slides I want to specifically add into my slideshow. To upload media or music, you can go to Insert, and then you're going to be uploading files from your computer. Right here I added a soundtrack, and you can see it right below the slides. And if you want to add photos and media, there is something specific right here. Right here I pulled from my Google Drive, but if you click Google Photos, you can also insert like stock images.
The screen recording feature is very simple. When you hit the record button and then press screen, you will be given an option of recording your own screen, the window, or your entire screen. For this example, I will record my screen. When you choose the tab you want to record on and then click share, a second window pops up with a microphone and a record option. To mute your microphone, click on the microphone button. To begin recording, click the red circle. This gives you a 3-second countdown and then begins the screen recording. When you are done with the screen recording, just hit the red button again and you will be then shown a preview of what you have recorded. You can then click Insert to easily put the screen recording on the selected scene.
In order to record a voiceover, click Record, then Voiceover. There is a script in case you want to take any notes to speak off of. It'll count down once you press the red button. Here you can speak and then stop, and then replay what you have. You can click Preview, and then it'll insert it after you click Preview if you press Insert.
For further help or any questions, click the Help button at the top and then go to Training, where you can find guides and troubleshooting techniques for any assistance that you might need.